What's going on, guys, and welcome back. Today we'll be going over AMD once again. Um, if you guys remember the last time I made a video about AMD, we were currently trading around a buck 85. And I was really hoping that we would fail this trend line and at least fill this gap down to a buck 70. But like I told you guys, my blue teal lines are usually very strong support or resistance depending on where they are on the chart. And that 185 level held. Uh, this is a great sign for buyers and AMD holders as we are back over this gap up zone. Um, I think if the market, meaning ES and VIX, can calm down a bit, I think AMD will be right back to filling this gap up at 220 to 230 very, very soon. The stock has a lot of growth potential. AMD is still a young company in the long-term span of things, and we've seen companies with this much potential do absolute numbers. If you look at SanDisk, if you look at MU, obviously there's NVIDIA, and AMD is one of those stocks, if not better, in my opinion. Um, I am making this video to say you are not too late if you still want to own AMD. I would be cautious at this level. I would have a pretty tight stop loss because if we reject this 205 level, the 210 level, you might be able to get a better price and we might go for this gap fill. Um, like I said, I'm going to continue to hold my equity forever and my ad positions would be down here. I don't plan on buying anymore unless we get a little more of a dip because I plan on trading options around these large moves. For my options traders, I really like a 210 call if you're bullish like me. And if you think the market is not done selling off and you think tech and these chip stocks are going to roll and you don't think we're going to get over this, which is now resistance, then I guess I don't hate the 20250 puts because if we fail this zone, you should get a nice move back down to like 197. But I won't be shorting the market with VIX failing this level. I'd like to see how it reacts at 20. If we get under 20, you can start to look bullish. But if we bounce 20 again, on top of any war escalation, then the markets will continue to sell off. But I hope you guys learned something from this. And when you guys see stocks coming down, like, I don't know, what is this? From 260 to 180, you don't panic and think it's all over because this is just natural. This is normal. Stocks go up, stocks go down, and if anything, it's just building a stronger base for when we do take off. So hold your shares, boys. The world is not ending. Um, and if you guys want me to look at any other stocks, just leave a comment. Have a great day, everyone.